Alright everyone, sorry about the confusion with my earlier recording. Hopefully this will be a little bit better. And I did get the problem fixed so that I can go ahead and answer those for you. So here we are with homework chapter 5, problem number 7. And what I went ahead and did was put all the information on an Excel spreadsheet. That tends to be a little bit easier for me just so that I can move things around if I need to. That I can see it a little bit better and understand what I'm trying to do. So what this first problem, or first part of the problem, is asking us to do is to fill in the missing amounts. We've got two companies here, and first one is the Columber company, and the second one is the Oriole company, and they're wanting us to, of course, find the missing amounts for the companies here. So what we need to do, first part is I just went through and did one company and then the next. So with the Columber company, we have sales revenue, net sales, cost of goods sold, and operating expenses. We need to find sales returns and allowances, gross profit, and net income. I just went down the road here, or down the column. So with having the sales revenue and our net sales, what we just need to do is subtract the net sales from our sales revenue, and that will give us our sales return and allowances. And so with that, the problem I was given, you probably have a different amount, is sales revenue is $96,000, net sales is $80,400, and so that difference is going to be $15,600. Moving down, we've got our cost of goods in there. So we've got our net sales and our cost of goods. With those, you just subtract those to get your gross profit. And so that total is going to be $26,400. And then finally, you take your gross profit minus your operating expenses to get your net income. So with this problem, it's going to be $11,740. Okay. Moving on to the Oriole company. Again, same thing. You're missing some information here, some amounts here. So we don't have sales revenue, but we do have sales return and allowances and our net sales. Same thing, subtract those to get your sales revenue. So this is going to be $109,000. So we have our net sales. We don't have our cost of goods, but again, we have our gross profit. So same thing again, subtract the two, and you come up with $54,000. And the last one is the operating expenses. Same thing, gross profit minus the net income is going to leave us with $4,200. So then the part B of this assignment is asking for your profit margin and gross profit rate for the two companies. So this is another reason why I like Excel, because I can hit wrong information on a calculator, and this kind of just does it for me. So what I do is, for your profit margin, and I've got the calculations out over on the right here. So your profit margin is your net sales divided by your net sales revenue. So that's an equal, and I take my net income and I divide that by my sales returns and, no, sorry, not that one. Down one more. Net sales. That's going to give you with 14.6. Also, the other reason why I like Excel is because I can just copy and paste the formula into the next cell, and it gives that for me. So, again, same thing, net income divided by net sales revenue, and that's going to be 15.2%. Now your gross profit, go away. Your gross profit is, or your gross profit rate is going to be your gross profit divided by your net sales. So again, equals my gross profit divided by my net sales, 32.8. Copy and paste. The other thing that I like with Excel here, using Excel, is the assignment, or the problem does say that while we're calculating the profit margin and the gross profit rate for each company, we need to round the answer to the first decimal place. Example, 15.5%. So with that, depending upon what the percentage or what the actual amount is that they want, let me move this up here a little bit if I can. In Excel here, we can change our decimal place. So if we needed 2, we've got that, or no decimal points, we've got either one of those. So that to me just makes it a little easier, and that's why a lot of times I do like to use Excel for this. So there's the assignment. Got any questions, let me know. Hopefully this shows up better than the last video. Thanks for your patience, guys.